First type of connection: wireless LAN connection. Turn on and connect your Wi-Fi. Note: the phone needs to be connected to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and make sure the Wi-Fi signal is smooth. Click to open Inspirest. Click to add manually. Select Laser Master H20. Select WLAN connection, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network emitted by the router. Enter your Wi-Fi password and click Next. Tap the power on button 5 times in a row. See the indicator light keep blinking and making a ticking sound. Click Next Step. Wait a few moments for the connection process. Successful connection. The page automatically jumps to the home page. When the camera logo turns colored, you can start using the visual positioning function. Second type of connection: AP connection. Click to open Inspirest. Click to add manually. Select Laser Master H20. AP connection hotspots from the machine. Follow the interface instructions. The light is flashing. Next step: connect hotspot now. Find the hotspot of H20 in your phone's Wi-Fi interface, and enter the default password 123456778. Waiting for connection. Select Always Connected. Connection successful. Return to app interface. Click Connect to hotspot. Click on the searched machine, select the corresponding laser model, and then press the Confirm button. When the camera logo turns colored, you can start using the visual positioning function. Click on Text to enter text, the same way as for engraved images. Click Next. Click on the camera icon. Select Visual Orientation. Engraving platforms are set up differently depending on their location. 1. If the engraving platform is set in the lowest position, open the cover and push the X-axis and laser module to the upper left corner. Place the vision positioning plate on the machine. You need to align the 4 corners to the position marked by the bottom engraving platform. Press the base's lowering button to minimize the engraving platform. Select the engraving platform is set to the lowest position. 2. If the engraving platform is set to the highest position, press the Rise button on the base to raise the engraving platform to its highest position. Select Engraving platform is set to the highest position. 3. If there is no base when the engraving platform is fixed, cannot be adjusted, select the engraving platform is fixed and not adjustable. The following is an example of how to start lens calibration with the engraving platform set to the highest position. Select Set Engraving Platform to highest position and click on Confirm. Click on Start Calibration. The calibration process requires a short wait. Follow the page prompts for the next step. Take away the vision board. Put in cardboard larger than 50 by 50 millimeters. Please choose the appropriate engraving range. The larger the engraving range, the more accurate the overall visual area. Note: other engravable materials can also be used for engraving. Engraving materials with thicknesses need to be measured for subsequent use. Push the laser module to the engraving area and adjust the laser module focus. Push the laser module to one side and close the top cover for engraving operation. Click on the engraving range to select 100 by 120 millimeters, according to the size of their own engraving plate, to choose the size of the engraving range. Setting the engraving parameters according to the material in the engraving visual range. Material thickness for engraving visual range, set according to the thickness of your own material. Click on Border Preview. Click on Engrave. Click on Checked. Click on Start. The process takes a while. Click on Run. Click Confirm. Click Next. When the engraving is finished, the 4 red dots on the lower red quad will cover the 4 engraved calibration points. If so, end the calibration. If it is not covered, refer to the action example to move the 4 borders so that they overlap. Click on End Calibration. Take out the visual range of materials. Measuring the thickness of an engraving. Placement of engraved items. Pull down the focusing bar to adjust the focus of the laser module. The focusing bar just touching the engraved object is the optimal engraving focal length.
Push the X-axis and laser module to the upper left corner again.
Click on Recapture. Enter the height of the carving measured earlier. Click Confirm. Setting of engraving parameters. Different parameters for different materials. Click the Start. Click on Checked. Click on Next. Click on Start. The process takes a while. Click on Run. Click Confirm to start engraving.